Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to merge two videos in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see the Sources panel. This is where you'll be adding your video files to merge them together. Click on the plus icon in the Sources section and from the menu that appears, select Media. This option allows you to add video files directly into your OBS project. A new window will pop up asking you to name your source. You can rename it if you want, for example, type Video 1 to keep things organized, or you can simply leave the default name. Once you're satisfied, click OK to proceed. Now you'll see another window with various settings for your media source. On the right side of this window, you'll notice a Browse button. Click on it to open your computer's File Explorer. Browse through your files until you locate the first video you want to merge. Click on it to select it, and then click Open. This will load your first video into OBS. Click OK to confirm and add the video to your canvas. At this point, you can resize the video if needed by clicking and dragging the corners of the video frame on the preview canvas. This gives you control over how the video appears in your final merged output. Now it's time to add your second video. Navigate back to the Sources panel at the bottom left, click the plus icon again and select Media from the menu. Another naming window will appear where you can rename this source, perhaps typing Video 2 to differentiate it from the first one, or you can leave it as is. Click OK to continue. Just like before, you'll see the Settings window. Click the Browse button on the right side, browse through your computer files to find the second video you want to merge, select it, and click Open. Then click OK to add the second video to your project. If necessary, resize this video by dragging the corners to fit your desired layout. Here's where the merging process begins. Navigate to the Sources panel at the bottom left and locate Video 2. Click the eye icon next to it to hide this video temporarily. This ensures that only your first video will be visible and recorded initially. Now, in the right panel of OBS, click Start Recording to begin capturing your merged video. Next, at the bottom of the preview window, click the Start button to play the first video. Let it play through completely until it finishes. Once the first video is done playing, go back to the Sources panel and click the eye icon next to the first video to disable it and hide it from view. Then, click on the second video in the Sources list and click its eye icon to make it visible. The second video will now appear on your canvas and you can play it to merge it seamlessly with the first. After the second video finishes playing, head over to the right panel and click Stop Recording. Your two videos have now been merged into a single recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.